In this video, I'm going to do a quick review on Ella Ben's lashes called SlaybyElla. And then I'm going to demonstrate how I put them on. Stay tuned. I just put these on and I already feel like I'm I'm trying not to curse because my puppy right here. My little papa. This is so perfect for like anything. Dates, regular day, like. I can't wait to try to rest. I feel like a bird, like a chicken head. You just gotta be like, ow. I already could tell, like, just from this one that it's lit. Oh, you don't even need another review. Look at it. Who needs makeup? Not me. I just need my lashes.
Share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love. Just a little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can't take back, I can't stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met.
These are so cute. She did that. This is the Sassy pack. And I remember I had a sassy attitude since I was little. Ask my family. Or spicy now. That's what they call it now, spicy. I always was spicy. But this is Sassy. The Sassy pack from SlaybyElla. Y'all know who that is. That's Ella Ben. You heard?